Hello friends, this is Gold and today we will see how we can trade and earn in Gold parity mode. Okay, so first of all what you have to see is my available balance is 538 rupees. Okay, and here in parity you have to see that there is period number, countdown and options of join green, join violet and join red. Okay, so how we have to join green, join red? This is totally up to the end digit of the price. Here you can see the international price. So if the end digit is an even number, then you will select red, and if it is an odd number you will select green. Okay, so for example, according to the current rule, I will select join green. Okay, and how to select? So there's contract money of 100,000 and 5,000. Now how to select 300? Select number, it would be 300. If you want to select 4, then add plus, so 4. So I will confirm 4. Okay, so as you can see my available balance is 138 rupees now, and I have placed an order of 400 rupees here, as you can see. So the next if the next period will come green, then I will earn money. If the period number 279 comes green, I will earn money. So every period is of 3 minutes, and first 2.5 minutes is to select whether you want to join green, violet or red, and last 30 seconds are to wait for the result. Okay, and if violet color appears, there are two special numbers, 0 and 5. So when 0 and 5 appears, then it would be violet. Okay, and then our earned money would be half. For example, if I have traded 100 rupees, I will earn 49 rupees. Okay, so let's see. You see, this is green and violet, and I had selected 400 rupees. So it means that I might have won 200 rupees. You can see my available balance is 726 rupees now. Okay guys, thank you.